In the previous video, we explained how to add material using the Add Mat option, which helps in managing inventory for production, stock tracking, and sales. In this video, we will walk you through all the entry points available in the Plywood software, explaining when to use each entry and why it is important for smooth production and inventory control. 1. Add Direct. The Add Direct entry is used when production output is generated without passing through multiple processes. Here, you select the material, enter the quantity, assign a batch number, and the stock is added directly to inventory. The main purpose of Add Direct is fast and simple production entry. 2. Add Overlay. The Add Overlay entry is used when an overlay layer is applied on a base material. You select the base material, choose the overlay, record consumption, enter output quantity, and move it to the next process. The main purpose is to improve surface finish and design quality. 3. Add Reface. The Add Reface entry is used to rework boards with damaged or rejected faces. You select the rejected material, replace the face, update quality, and re-enter it into production. The main purpose is to reduce wastage and recover usable material. 4. Add Resize. The Add Resize material entry is used to resize raw materials before production. You select the raw material, enter original and new size, record wastage, and add it back to stock. The main purpose is accurate material preparation for production. 5. Add Resize. Finished Goods. The Add Resize Finished Goods entry is used when finished products need resizing as per customer demand. You resize the finished product, record wastage, and update the new size in inventory. The main purpose is to fulfill custom order requirements. 6. Add Consumption. The Add Consumption entry is used to record material usage during production. You select the process, enter the quantity used, and inventory is updated automatically. The main purpose is accurate stock control and cost tracking. 7. Add Purchase. The Add Purchase entry is used to record purchased materials into stock. You enter supplier and invoice details, material, quantity, rate, assign batch, and add it to inventory. The main purpose is maintaining proper purchase and stock records. 8. Add Purchase Return. The Add Purchase Return entry is used when material is returned to the supplier. You select the invoice, enter return quantity, generate a return note, and stock is deducted. The main purpose is supplier accountability and correct stock adjustment. 9. Add Sale. The Add Sale entry is used when goods are sold to customers. You select the customer, enter item details, quantity, price, generate invoice, and stock is deducted. The main purpose is sales and revenue tracking. 10. Add Sale Return. The Add Sale Return entry is used to record customer returns. You select the sale invoice, inspect returned items, and add them to stock or mark as rejected. The main purpose is proper handling of sales returns. 11. Add MAT Grading. The Add Material Grading entry is used to grade raw materials by quality. You inspect material, assign grades, update the system, and store accordingly. The main purpose is quality-based processing and planning. 12. Add Calibrator. The Add Calibrator entry is used to control material thickness. Material passes through the calibrator, thickness is adjusted, and output quantity is recorded. The main purpose is uniform thickness across materials. 13. Add DDSAW. The Add DD saw entry is used for cutting material using a double disc saw. You set dimensions, cut the material, record output quantity and wastage. The main purpose is precise and accurate cutting. 14. Add Sanding. The Add Sanding entry is used for surface smoothing. Material is sanded, surface quality is checked, and output is recorded. The main purpose is improving surface finish. 15. Add Grading. The Add Grading entry is used to sort finished and semi-finished goods. Products are inspected, graded, and routed to stock or rework. The main purpose is proper quality separation. 16. Add stamping. The add stamping entry is used to mark products for identification. You stamp the product, record batch details, and update traceability. The main purpose is product identification and tracking. 17. Add final grading. The add final grading entry is used before dispatch. Final inspection is done, grades are assigned, and dispatch status is updated. The main purpose is ensuring customer-approved quality. 18. Add new order. The add new order entry is used to create a sales order. You enter customer details, product specifications, delivery date, and generate order number. The main purpose is starting the production workflow. 19. Add physical stock. The add physical stock entry is used for stock verification. Actual stock is counted, compared with system stock, and adjustments are made. The main purpose is maintaining inventory accuracy. 20. Add resin production. The add resin production entry is used to record resin manufacturing. You record raw inputs, resin output, assign batch number, and add it to stock. The main purpose is tracking resin production. 21. Resin consumption. The resin consumption entry is used to record resin usage. You enter the resin quantity used, and stock is updated accordingly. The main purpose is cost control and resin tracking. 22. Add strip production. The add strip production entry is used to record strip manufacturing. Material is cut into strips, quantities are recorded, and stock is updated. The main purpose is tracking strip production for use or sale. 23. Add strip consumption. The add strip consumption entry is used when strips are consumed. You enter the quantity used and strip stock is deducted. The main purpose is usage control, wastage reduction, and accurate costing.